When you sign up for a Halloo Virtual Office account, your auto attendant will be pre-configured with a default template to get you started. You will want to customize this for your organization. The goal of a well-designed auto attendant is to guide your callers through to the right department or individual quickly and efficiently. Before you set up your auto attendant, begin by sketching a diagram to help you visualize its flow. Like pages on a website, an auto attendant consists of interconnected menus which guide a caller through the system. A menu consists of a recorded message which presents information and offers options to move forward to an additional menu or connect to users in the system. Write the text for each menu before attempting to record it. Let's take a look at a typical main greeting menu to see how it's done.
Thank you for calling the BusyBiz Corporation. For sales, press 1. For support, press 2. For the company dial by name directory, press...
Present the most common options first. Number them 1, 2, and 3 for easy recollection, and limit the number of options per menu to less than 5. Long menus can frustrate callers because they require more time to get through and are difficult to use because too many options often require multiple listenings before selection can be made. Menus can jump to other menus or transfer directly to user extensions.
For sales, press 1.
Might transfer directly to extension 21. For more flexibility, add a hunt group to distribute calls to more than one extension. Other special menus include the Dial by Name and Dial by Extension menus. Once you've sketched out your auto attendant design, it's time to program it into My Halloo. Select your auto attendant, usually extension 00, from the extension menu. For a new account, a simple auto attendant template is provided to help you get started quickly. It includes placeholder menus and events that you should replace as needed. Begin by creating menus for each box in your design that do not already appear in the menu list. Click New Menu to bring up a new menu form. Type the name of the menu, the text of the menu's message, and click Create. A computer-generated recording of your text will be made and automatically saved with the new menu. You will replace this with your own voice later. Modify placeholder menus with your own text by clicking on the menu name and then Properties. Replace the placeholder text with your customized text in the message box, then click Save Changes. Again, a computer-synthesized recording will be made of your new message and will need to be re-recorded in a later step. For now, don't worry about the placeholder events which exist in the default template. Modify these after all menus in your design have been created. Delete menus by clicking the Delete button of unwanted menus. Once all of the menus in your design have been added, it's time to link them together with events. Events are like hyperlinks on a web page, taking the caller from one menu to another, or transferring out to a user extension. Each event is triggered when an action such as a telephone keypress or timeout occurs. To add an event, click New Event. In the If portion of the form, enter a match pattern in the Caller Enters field for a keypress event or the number of seconds for a timeout event. Select an action from the Then portion of the form, either transfer to a user extension or jump to another menu, or simply hang up. Click Create when you are finished. Continue to add events for each link in your auto attendant design. Remember to add a timeout event to transfer the caller to a default extension or mailbox in case the caller doesn't press anything. Callers often expect that 0 will connect them to someone who can provide immediate assistance. Add a keypress 0 event to your menus to handle these situations. To edit an event, simply click the Edit Event button to modify the action of the event. Click Delete Event to remove an event.